Are you planning to give your kitchen a fresh, modern look this year? Well, you're in the right place, because 2025 is all about creative color combinations that bring personality, warmth, and elegance into the heart of your home. Your kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's the center of your home, where family, food, and memories come together. And the right colors can completely transform how it feels. From soft neutrals that calm the space to bold tones that add energy and character, kitchen color trends in 2025 are taking design to a whole new level. This year, designers are focusing on balance, blending natural, earthy shades with sophisticated modern hues. Think about warm woods paired with clean whites, deep navy mixed with gold accents, or soft sage greens meeting matte black finishes. Each combination tells a story, elegant, inviting, and full of style. Whether you love a minimalist vibe, rustic comfort, or a luxurious modern look, these color ideas will help you create a kitchen that feels both trendy and timeless. You'll see how simple color choices, from cabinets and countertops to walls and fixtures, can make your entire space come alive. So, get ready as we explore the 9 best kitchen color combinations for 2025. Designs that are not only beautiful but also practical, cozy, and made to fit every home style. It's time to turn your kitchen into a masterpiece of color, texture, and personality. 1. White and natural wood, timeless warmth. Let's start with one of the most loved and lasting kitchen color combinations, white and natural wood. In 2025, this pairing continues to dominate because it brings together the best of both worlds, freshness and warmth. White keeps your kitchen looking bright, open, and clean, while natural wood tones, like oak, walnut, or birch, add that cozy, organic touch that makes the space feel inviting. This combination works perfectly for both small and large kitchens, as the light shades visually expand the space, and the wood details add texture and character. You can go for white cabinets with wooden countertops, or even the reverse, wooden cabinets with white stone counters. Add a few warm lights and maybe some indoor plants, and you'll have a space that feels calm, balanced, and beautifully timeless. What's great about this style is its flexibility. It fits modern minimalism, Scandinavian charm, or even rustic farmhouse themes. No matter your interior style, white and wood never go out of trend. It's comfort and elegance combined. 2. Sage green and matte black, sophisticated contrast. Next, we move to one of the most stylish and talked about combinations of 2025, sage green and matte black. This pairing is perfect for those who want a modern, elegant look with a hint of nature-inspired calm. Sage green, with its soft and muted tone, brings freshness and serenity to the space. When paired with matte black handles, faucets, or trims, it creates a stunning balance between natural beauty and sleek sophistication. The result? A kitchen that feels bold yet peaceful. This combination works wonderfully for contemporary and industrial kitchens alike. You can try sage green cabinets with black marble countertops or even a black island with sage green wall units. The muted green softens the dark elements, while the matte black details give structure and modern appeal. Pro tip: add brass or wooden accents, like lighting or open shelving, to bring warmth and balance to the overall look. Sage and black together make your kitchen look effortlessly chic, grounded, and full of personality. 3. Navy blue and brass, modern luxury. If you're looking for something bold, dramatic, and undeniably elegant, navy blue and brass is the ultimate 2025 combination. This trend brings a touch of modern luxury to your kitchen, turning it into a space that feels sophisticated and high-end. Deep navy blue cabinets create depth and richness, while brass handles, fixtures, or light fittings add a warm metallic glow that instantly elevates the space. Together, they strike the perfect balance between cool and warm tones, stylish without feeling overwhelming. This look pairs beautifully with white marble or quartz countertops, and even better with open shelving to show off the brass accents. It's an ideal choice for homeowners who want something dramatic yet timeless, a kitchen that makes a statement without losing elegance. In 2025, this combination represents confidence and class. With 4. Charcoal gray and white, minimalist sophistication. For those who love clean lines and a refined, modern vibe, charcoal gray and white remain one of the most elegant kitchen color combinations in 2025. This duo offers a perfect balance between boldness and simplicity. Charcoal gray brings depth, maturity, and a luxurious tone to the space, while white keeps things light, airy, and fresh. When combined, they create a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that feels calm and balanced, ideal for contemporary or urban-style kitchens. You can go for charcoal-based cabinets with white upper units, or even a white countertop with a charcoal backsplash to create visual contrast. To make the design warmer, include some wood or metallic accents, such as brass handles, pendant lighting, or even light oak flooring. This color combo works especially well in open-plan homes because it visually separates the kitchen area while keeping it cohesive with the rest of the interior. In short, charcoal and white define understated luxury, modern, minimal, and effortlessly stylish. 5. Terracotta and cream, earthy elegance. If you want a kitchen that feels cozy, welcoming, and full of natural warmth, then terracotta and cream is your perfect 2025 match. Inspired by nature and Mediterranean charm, this color pairing adds a grounded, organic touch to your space. Terracotta tones, those soft, sun-baked clay shades, bring a sense of comfort and nostalgia, while cream balances it out with lightness and sophistication. Together, they create a soothing atmosphere that feels timeless yet refreshing. Try terracotta lower cabinets with cream upper ones, or introduce terracotta through backsplash tiles and accessories, paired with cream-colored cabinetry. Brass or black hardware can further elevate the look, giving it a rustic meets modern appeal. This trend is perfect for homeowners who want a space that feels both stylish and soulful, a place that connects modern design with the warmth of nature. It's a color story that makes every meal feel like a cozy, sunlit moment. 6. Forest green and gold, nature-inspired luxury. For 2025, one of the most talked about kitchen trends is forest green with gold accents, a combination that oozes sophistication and organic beauty. This pairing brings the calming essence of nature indoors while adding a touch of luxury. Forest green cabinets create a rich, grounded look that works beautifully with natural light, while gold fixtures, handles, and trims add a sense of opulence. The result is a kitchen that feels elegant, warm, and full of character. To balance the richness of green and gold, pair them with neutral countertops like white quartz or light marble, and maybe a few wood elements for texture. You can even go bold with a forest green island in an otherwise neutral kitchen to make it the focal point. This color combo is perfect for both classic and contemporary spaces. It's bold yet timeless, modern yet comforting, capturing the 2025 trend of biophilic design, where luxury meets the beauty of nature. You have a large open kitchen or a compact apartment layout. Navy and brass bring a sense of refinement that makes everyday cooking feel just a little more glamorous. 7. Navy blue and brass, bold and timeless. If there's one combination that continues to dominate modern kitchens, it's navy blue and brass. This pairing is the definition of sophistication. Deep, rich navy adds drama and depth, while brass brings in warmth and a hint of vintage glamour. In 2025, designers are using this duo to create statement kitchens that feel both modern and classic. Navy blue works beautifully for lower cabinets or kitchen islands, and when paired with brass handles, faucets, and pendant lights, it instantly elevates the space into something truly special. To keep the balance, include white or marble countertops to add brightness and prevent the kitchen from feeling too dark. The result is a space that feels refined, confident, and full of personality, perfect for homeowners who love a bold yet timeless design. This combination also pairs wonderfully with wood textures or open shelving, giving your kitchen an elegant yet cozy finish. Think of it as luxury that doesn't try too hard, simple, stunning, and always in style. 8. Matte black and wood modern contrast with warmth. For those who want a sleek, ultra-modern kitchen with a cozy twist, matte black and natural wood is one of the hottest trends for 2025. It's a combination that strikes the perfect balance between edgy and inviting. Matte black cabinetry adds a sense of power, mystery, and style, while wooden accents, like oak, walnut, or ash, bring natural warmth and texture. The contrast makes your kitchen look sophisticated without feeling cold or industrial. This look works beautifully in open concept homes or apartments where the kitchen flows into the living space. Add matte black fixtures, hidden lighting, and wood grain countertops or shelving for a cohesive, designer-approved finish. The magic of this combo is in its versatility. You can go fully modern or mix it with rustic touches for a softer look. Either way, the matte black and wood combination gives you a kitchen that feels grounded, bold, and effortlessly contemporary. 9. Blush pink and gray, soft modern elegance. Looking for something refreshing and unique? Blush pink and soft gray are making waves in 2025 as the go-to colors for homeowners who love subtle beauty with a modern edge. Blush pink isn't just for feminine spaces anymore. When paired with gray, it becomes modern, stylish, and incredibly calming. The pink adds warmth and charm, while gray brings balance and sophistication. You can incorporate this combination through pastel pink cabinets, gray countertops, or even a blush backsplash paired with sleek gray walls. Add matte silver or rose gold fixtures for a touch of glamour without overwhelming the design. This color pairing works perfectly in smaller kitchens too, as it keeps the space looking bright and airy. It's ideal for anyone who wants a soft, contemporary design that still feels warm, inviting, and full of character. Truly a breath of fresh air for 2025. So, there you have it. The 9 best kitchen color combinations of 2025, each bringing its own charm, personality, and modern touch to your space. Whether you love the calm elegance of sage and white, the earthy warmth of terracotta and cream, or the bold sophistication of navy and brass, these trends prove that your kitchen can be both stylish and functional. This year's color palettes are all about balance, mixing nature-inspired tones with sleek finishes to create spaces that feel timeless yet up-to-date. Your kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's where family moments happen, creativity flows, and style meets comfort. So, take inspiration from these ideas and start experimenting. Maybe repaint your cabinets, try a new backsplash, or mix hardware finishes to see what suits your vibe best. Even small color changes can make a huge difference in how your kitchen looks and feels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone planning a kitchen upgrade this year. Stay tuned for more interior design inspiration and make your kitchen the heart of your home. Stylish, smart, and perfectly you.